God, it's so boring, man. Fuck. Wanna go somewhere very far. Oh, look at that dude fart can. Oh, it's from Delhi. It's like, why do you want such big muffler when... Oh, he's a ricer. He's a ricer. Yeah, he's a ricer. Bro, looks nice. Looks nice. So, what about the tail lamp? What about the tail lamp? Tail lamp, tail lamp. Oh, nice, man. He had earphones in this thing, man. And he's not wearing an helmet. That's bad. That's bad. That's pretty bad. Like, why can't you wear a fucking helmet?